Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to clean my kitchen. I just have a few things that I need to do first before I want to clean my backsplash. And my kitchen isn't that messy right now, but I do need to do the dishes. And like I said, my biggest thing is that I want to clean all of the backsplash. So if you guys want to hang out with me and do this together, let's do it together. All right, first things first, I want to put away all of my dishes, and then wash the dishes, and then I want to clear everything basically so that I can clean the backsplash. This backsplash, I'm so thankful and grateful that we did pick this type of backsplash because it's super easy to clean. All I do is just use water, or if I need something, I'll use like an all-purpose cleaner and just spray it lightly and then wipes off. Super easy, has no issues with cleaning it. So if anyone is like doing any construction, this type of tile is great for the kitchen. I don't know if you watched any of my previous videos, but you guys know that I like to wash my dishes by hand instead of using a dishwasher. I do use it once in a while, like after a big party or something, but mostly I do wash it by hand. Okay, so now since the dishes are all done, all I want to do is take everything off the counters and move it to the island, so that way I have a clear space to work with, so that I can just clean all of it all at once, and then I will clean the countertops and put everything back. So that's what I'm going to start doing is. Like I said, I cleared off all of this stuff, and now I'm just gonna go around and clean all the backsplash. I'm just gonna, I don't want to move that, I'll just move it to the side and clean it. There's not much to clean because it doesn't really get dirty, but this doesn't seem like it's dirty, but if you close up, you can tell, like from cooking and stuff. I tried to wipe it as soon as I cook and stuff, but still there's some things that need to be wiped, like there's right there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And like I said, I'm just only gonna use all-purpose cleaner. Sometimes I just use water. Sometimes I use dish soap, whatever. But since I'm cleaning it kind of like more thoroughly than normal, I'm gonna use all-purpose cleaner so that I can I'm just gonna spray on it. I go piece by piece, and then I just wipe away and polish it basically. And while I'm cleaning, I'm actually gonna clean the stovetop as well. It's just regular stovetop cleaner solution and a sponge, and on a wet top, and then just clean it. The granite cleaners, but I didn't realize I was out, so I'm just gonna use all-purpose cleaner, and I've done done that before and nothing happens to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just basically polishing it. It's pretty clean. There was nothing much on it, but just want to make sure it's clear. Same thing here. I think this counter gets the messiest because this is where my coffee station is, and coffee kind of splatters everywhere and sugar or whatever. So, see that? Right now I'm just going to change out the water. I'm going to pour this one out and pour some new water in. Gonna pour some new clean water in here. It is Valentine's Day, so I am starting to decorate a little bit with the hearts. That's just, like I said, that's just for decor. I'm putting things back, like my little sweets. This is for tea and coffee, of course. Okay, with this. These are my favorite wipes for the stainless steel. I'll show you what it is. I love the wipes. I don't like the spray because spray goes everywhere, and this goes exactly where you want it, and it works like a charm, I'm telling you. So what I do is I just do this because there's so much on it, so I just kind of spread it first everywhere, and then I go back and I polish it with that same thing. So you just kind of want to spread it first on all my items and then go back and polish it. So that's what I do first. And then I need to do that on the dishwasher as well. Want to get a new dishwasher, but like I said, I don't really use it, so I don't know if I want to spend that much money on a dishwasher that I don't use as often, because this is the dishwasher that we had. Sorry, this is the dishwasher that we had since we moved in here. So now I'm also going to. And same thing with the fridge. I'm going to take off all the stuff off the fridge. Same thing with the fridge. I'm just going to take everything off. And then leave it. And I said, like, this is my favorite out of all the things for stainless steel. So I have this mirrored tray that I like to use in the middle of the island. And inside of it, I like to use little coasters, whatever you call them, placemats. I like to use the placemats because they fit perfectly and I can change whatever theme I want. So since it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to use this very shimmery place mat. It fits right in there, like it's perfect size. So I'm just gonna put everything back to how I like it. All right, you guys, so I'm done cleaning it. It looks nice and clean for about 15 minutes because I'm gonna start making dinner, and I wanted to capture this and show you guys that it is clean once in a while. The only thing I do have left to do, but I want to do that after I make dinner, is clean the floors. But yeah, this is how my kitchen is. And I did add a little Valentine's Day thing there. I did get that from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a little, hey Jakey. I do have a little towel, and I don't like to go way too crazy with the themes for holidays, but just a little bit, I think it looks cute. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.